How to use Button Fix to mount a sign or graphic panel with no visible fixings. We will be gluing the Type 1 bonded fix to the rear of a thin, foamed PVC panel. We're using a solvent adhesive, which will create a good bond between the ABS-polymer Fix and the PVC panel. Surface preparation is paramount, so it's important to abrade the face of the fix and clean the panel with alcohol. In a well-ventilated space, apply a thin layer of glue and position the fixes, making sure they are square to the panel and the correct way around. Solvent adhesives are fast drying, but other glues may require longer. Use the button marker accessories to accurately mark out where to install the buttons. You're now ready to click home the panel. Job done. And with Button Fix, the panel can be easily demounted if the graphic needs to be updated. Button Fix. Panel fixing made easy.